Good afternoon, YouTube. It is a wonderful, beautiful Saturday afternoon. March Madness is here. Got some games going on while I'm going to do the brakes. I am not going to do a long, boring how-to video. There's plenty of videos out there on how to change rotors and brake pads on Durangos and Trackhawks and SRTs and Hellcats and all that. Just want to do a quick before and after video. So here's the stock setup. Pretty cool. And it's just a Durango RT with the tow and go package, but as everyone knows, it's got SRT everything. SRT suspension, SRT brakes, exhaust, the different drive modes, track, snow, tow, sport, all that good stuff. 98%, 99% SRT except for the engine, which this bad boy is going to get a Whipple supercharger here in the next 12 months, which will give this beast 595 horsepower, and the SRT is 475. And I'm still going to spend less than if I bought an SRT Durango, so that's why I bought the tow and go. So here's before. I'm going to change the rotors and put ceramic pads on. The rotors are going to be dimpled and slotted. They recommend dimpled, not drilled, because if you drill all the way through, it's going to make the drill, you put a drill hole right through the whole thing, it's going to make it weaker. They're still going to be good rotors, but dimpled is going to be a stronger rotor, just being dimpled. So here's before, and I'll do an after in a little bit. Stay tuned.